By the end of this video, you're going to know the top 10 fastest growing niches on YouTube right now in 2026, and every one of these is backed by real data. Essentially what I did was I went through and pulled hundreds of thousands of channels on YouTube in order to see what niches are the easiest to go from 0 subscribers to over 100,000 subscribers. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what niches those are. And if you want to start a new YouTube channel, grow faster on YouTube, or get monetized on YouTube, I would strongly suggest you check some of these out. Now, niche number 1 on this list is going to be Jesus/Kristen story channels. In fact, there have been more than 2,914 channels recently that were created on YouTube and went from 0 subscribers to over 100,000 subscribers by posting in this niche. And essentially what this is dramatized faith-based narratives, and you could do this in one of two ways. The first way that you could do this is going to be faceless, as we can see like these videos here. This channel got over 5 million views on this post, this one over 2.7 million, this one over 1.6 million. But then we could see you could also do content like this. So these 3 videos were faceless, but there's also content where you could show yourself, or there's content like this where this creator's showing themselves, where again we're back to faceless. So this niche is really interesting because you could do both faceless content, or you could show your face if you wanted to. And as we can see, these are all under Jesus stories, and if we come under Christian stories right here, there's a lot more long form content under here. So both long form content and shorts end up working for this. And here's another type of content here. This is reaction based content. So as you can see within this niche, there's so many different opportunities here. Now, the second fastest growing niche is going to be reaction and commentary. So basically what this is viral content reactions with personality. And there are so many different ways that you could do this. For example, if we come over to YouTube right now and we look in something like gaming reactions, what you're going to notice is there are tons of creators that do this to games. Or if we come over here and types in sports reactions, there are tons of different creators that do this to sports. So essentially what you would be doing is you would just want to pick something that is large and where there's constantly new stuff. For example, this happens inside of politics, this happens inside of the news, inside of the weather, inside of sports, inside of gaming, inside of so many different niches. And then all you would be doing is making reaction content to this. And with this one, ideally, you're going to want to show your face because you're going to want to be reacting to stuff. And we can see right here that you could very easily get millions of views from this. And it's pretty easy because you're actually riding on just popular topics that you're then reacting to. In addition to that, this makes the content really easy to make, and you're pretty much just relying on choosing the right topic in order to get a lot of views. And then the other thing I forgot to mention is this niche right here. There's been over 2,247 channels recently that went from 0 to over 100,000 subscribers. And I know what you're thinking right now before we get into the third one is, Rob, would we really want to go into a niche that is quote unquote saturated? Yes, that is exactly what you want to do. On YouTube, you want to see that there are other people posting content in the same niche, because what that means is there's a really large audience for that content, and contrary to popular opinion, it actually makes it way easier to grow. Now, niche number 3 is going to be AI emotional pet stories. I'm not sure if you've seen this before, but basically these are AI generated dog and cat stories. So if we come over here and type in dog stories, you're going to see that there are tons of videos like this that have gone viral. 20 million, 1.8 million. And if we come down here, this is also going viral. And again, a lot of these are AI generated. And then look at this, there's even more. And if we come over here and type in cat stories, we're going to see the same exact thing. Millions, if not tens of millions of views. And what's even crazier is if you type in AI cat stories, you're going to see the same exact thing. There are so many shorts under here that have literally gotten millions and millions of views. And the best part about this is you don't have to show your face, and AI will make the content for you. Now, niche number 4 is going to be Roblox role-playing stories, and over 1,300 channels have gone from 0 to over 100,000 subscribers by posting in this niche. And guess what? We come over here and we type in Roblox stories. What you're going to notice is there are tons and tons of channels that are doing this. In fact, this is one of the easiest one for small channels to grow in. And one of the easiest ways for you to actually figure out if you're going to go into one of these niches, what kind of content you should be creating, is making sure that you have the vidIQ Chrome extension right here, because what this is going to allow you to do is actually filter this. So you could look at videos or shorts, and you could come over here and make it so that you're only seeing content that's been uploaded by small channels. As we could see, this user right here only 21,000 subscribers, but they made this video that got 1.6 million views. Or this one, 7,000 subscribers, over 300,000 views. And we could see over here that this person only has 28 subscribers, but currently they just got 2,000 views on this video. Or this person with over 500 subscribers got almost 8,000 views. And essentially what this allows you to do is see exactly what topics, exactly what formats are working in any niche that you're going to be uploading in. And if you're not using this tool, you are going to get left behind right now, because this is how small channels find videos that they should make in order to actually go viral on YouTube. And the best part about vidIQ is that you could go to the pinned comment below right now and get started with it today for only $1. Typically, it's way more expensive than that, but because you're watching this video, I got you this $1 coupon. In addition to that, the other thing that I wanted to note is I've actually gotten all this information and all of this data from vidIQ because they're the #1 analytics and data tracking platform when it comes to YouTube. And if you're not using this tool to help you grow and uncover exactly what kind of content you should be posting, you're gonna get left behind in 2026. So please, don't let $1 be the difference between you flopping on YouTube or you finally growing and getting monetized. Go to that pinned comment below and get started with it today. Now, the next niche is going to be K-pop demon hunters, and I'm pretty surprised by this because I've never heard of this before and I didn't know this was a big thing. So I was asking my fiance about this and she actually said one of her good friends is really into this. So if we come over here and we type in K-pop demon hunters, we could see exactly what this is, and we could see that this literally has gotten 1 billion views in the last 6 months. 619 million views, 368 million views, 405 million views. I cannot believe how big this is. And this is just the long form content. If we come under shorts right here, 16 million, 18 million, 8 million. What I want to do is actually hit this with the vidIQ filter and see if we can find small channels that are blowing up here. And look at this. There's so many small channels getting tens of millions of views in this niche. So I would definitely check it out. Next up, we have educational AI kid stories, and there were 723 channels recently that went from 0 subscribers to 100,000 subscribers incredibly quickly. And essentially what this is, it's going to be educational AI content for kids. So if we come over here and type in something like learning ABCs with AI, we could see that there's a ton of content that actually pops up here. Now, I do want to warn you, if you are going to create content like this, you need to make sure that when you go to publish your content, that when you scroll down, no, it's not made for kids, you want to mark that as yes. But I do, again, want to warn you guys, you should only be doing this when you're making this very, very specific kids content, like these AI educational kids stories. If you are not uploading specifically for kids, please make sure you mark this as no, because marking it as yes will actually decrease your reach and lower the amount of people that get shown the content. Now, the next type of content that's been going viral like crazy, and this isn't going to be super useful if you're in the US, but this is going to be Indian short comedy skits with 651 channels recently, going from 0 to 100,000 subscribers. And I have to be honest, I'm pretty surprised that this doesn't get more views because I would have thought that this actually would have been way higher. But again, if you're in the US, you're probably not going to want to do something like that. The next type of content is going to be brain rot quiz content. And this works both for long form content and works for shorts. And the best part is that you can make this with AI and you don't really have to do much. So if we come over here, we can come over here and do something like brain rot quiz. And then what you're going to see is there are tons and tons of content like this. And something that I want you guys to think about, because this is actually something that I've been thinking about this entire time as we're going through doing this. Essentially what you could do if you really want to stand out is combine some of these niches. For example, brain rot quiz content, why don't you combine that with K-pop demon hunters, where you're actually doing both of those things, and then you will be creating a niche that you can actually stick out in, and you'll have a niche of one, which is exactly what you want if you want to grow faster on YouTube. Now, we only have 2 niches left, so let's go through them. Next one is going to be couples dance challenges. Again, 347. And I would actually double down on this because couples dance challenges is great, but you could just do couples challenges, you could do family challenges, you could do friends challenges. Just challenge content does absolutely amazing. For example, if we come over here and we do family challenge content, what you're going to see is that there are so many videos that have gotten millions of views. 13 million views, 4 million views, 32 million views, 104 million views, and there are tons of families that are blowing up on YouTube. In fact, there's so many people that watch content like this, it is absolutely mind-blowing. And this type of content, I know this for a fact, doesn't only work on YouTube, it also crushes on TikTok and on Instagram. So if you want to jump in a niche like this, all you need are your friends or your family or your siblings, or maybe you do it where you're challenging just random people on the street. For example, one of my creators that I've actually helped grow is Tuvok12 right here. And what you'll notice about his content, he's got almost 10 million subscribers. If we come over here, he basically challenges people to be able to shoot a basketball into a hoop on the street. As we could see, he gets hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views every single time that he posts. Like this time, 21 million views, or this one, almost 200 million views. Now that last type of content that's going crazy is going to be AI character comedy. And again, this basically is just you making AI generated character pranks. And you could do this with animals. You could do this with made up characters. You could do this with animations. There's so many different things here. For example, if we come over here and we type in Bobbert animation, again, this is somebody that I've actually worked with right here. And we're going to see right here, Bloop, this is their channel. So if we come over here and actually look at this, we could see that he's gained almost 900,000 subscribers and he goes viral all the time. If we look at his most popular videos, 57 million, 56, 23, 21, 18, 16 million. If we come under his long form video, he also goes viral pretty frequently. 1.4 million, 1.5 million, 2.5 million. Basically all he's doing is making this AI animation content, but he's made a character that people really love. And there's so much opportunity here for you to be able to go through and do this now, not only leveraging AI, but leveraging the fact that people love watching content like this. Now, if you're still struggling to grow on YouTube and you want one-on-one help, in fact, you want me to look at your page and tell you everything that you should be doing differently, what thumbnails you should use, what titles you should use, how to edit your content differently, and we could even go over how to script your content and stuff like that, well, please check out this video right here that walks you through 3 different ways we can work together one-on-one and I can help you grow faster in 2026. I'll see you over there.